Hey guys, quick video on portable compressors for your car, inflator, tire inflator, whatever you want to call it. These things do work, they just take time. So like for example in this model it says max use 10 minutes. That's about as much time as you need to inflate a tire with this thing. So it works, it takes time. So when you plug it in for a couple minutes and you see nothing happening, don't get scared. I made that mistake the first time. It is gonna work. Plugs into your cigarette lighter. Most cars should still have these hidden somewhere. It's either in this little compartment here. Could also be hidden in your compartment there, or even in here. Start up your car. Remove the valve cap of your tire. Plugs up just like a bicycle port. Good. Flick it on. It's loud, annoying. And you want to be like at 30. Turns it off because it's annoying, but you can let that run 5 to 10 minutes at least, probably. Just monitor it. You want to get to at least 30 pounds of pressure, and that's it. Turn it off and you're good to go. Another thing I'm going to be doing soon is fixing this rust bud, so check for my new videos coming out soon. And then some brakes and rotors again. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, thumbs up, and I'll see you guys soon.